friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is ORICO Magnetic Portable K5 Mini SSD and it is 1 TB and it is available on AliExpress and you can see the price is $135. Don't worry, I'll provide you a discount code as well. So I think first I should unbox it and then we'll talk more about it. So friends, you have saw the unboxing. This is the user guide for ORICO K5 Mini and this is the main product, the portable SSD, and this is the cable, and actually the cable is brilliant. I mean, it's very unique and built very strong, and there is one magnetic ring available as well. So if we see the box, you can see that there are 4 colors available. This one is for Orange 17 Pro and it is compatible with I think most of the iPhones with MagSafe options. But I saw some reviews. I think it wasn't compatible with some iPhones. So I will look into that as well. Well, yes, it is. It has said that it is compatible with iPhone 15 and above. So make sure you have iPhone 15 or above. So as far as its weight is concerned, well, I would say it is extremely lightweight. When I say it is lightweight, no, it is extremely lightweight. So there's actually nothing. And I've ordered 1 TB and this is my iPhone 17 Pro and let's see how we use this. So you can see, first of all, it looks very beautiful and how easily it gets attached to the 17 Pro, and you can use this SSD as you want and you can use it directly while recording, and if you want to store some data you can also use it like that. So this is how you are going to use the K5 Mini. Well, actually I don't think this is mini because it is a very big SSD attached fully to the 17 Pro, because if it was mini it should have been at least in that size. But anyway, I am a great lover of SSDs because I really need a lot of data, and I tried the ORICO brand for the first time and it is going to be great. And I don't know why they have given the magnetic ring. I think maybe it may not be compatible with some iPhones or some smartphones, so that's why they have given magnetic ring. I don't know, because it is easily compatible with the iPhone 17 Pro directly. So I don't think I would need a magnetic ring. So you can see in the picture, well, you can clearly see that in the picture the phone is 16 Pro Max. That's why it is looking a little, yes, it is same. In one moment I thought it may be different. No, it's the same device. So if you are interested, I will provide you a link in the description, discount code as well. Use that discount code to get this product lower than its original price, and I hope you enjoy this product. And if you have any question you can ask me. This was not a typical review because that requires a lot of hours me studying this product, and I will do that after some time. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and that's it. I really like this.